Hey everyone, the Bank Insider here. Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up a virtual card without using a traditional bank. If you're new to the channel, this is where you learn simple, practical tips on using fintech apps in South Africa. Today we're looking at a platform that makes online payments incredibly easy. It gives you a virtual debit card in US dollars. And the best part is that card creation is completely free. It's a great solution for anyone who needs a reliable way to pay online without opening a bank account. Another bonus is the cashback. Every card on the platform earns rewards automatically. Their universal payment cards give you 1% cashback on everything you spend. Alright, let's get started. 1. Access spend.net. On your device, open Safari or Google Chrome. Type SpendNet and tap Go. Select the first result that says spend.net. You can take a moment to read through the information about the cards. When you're ready, tap Sign Up. You can sign up using your Google account, or you can enter your own email and password. 2. Choose your cashback card. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Here you can choose the cashback card you prefer. For this video, we're choosing the spend card for everyday shopping. If you're a new user, you'll need to verify your identity before issuing a card. 3. Identity verification process. Tap Upgrade Verification. Choose the level of verification you want. For this tutorial, we're choosing Infinity. Read through the details about this level and the live face verification. When you're ready, tap Start Verification. Select your citizenship, then tap Continue. You'll now see a data and privacy notice. Tick the box to consent to the processing of your personal data, then tap Continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked if you want to speed up your verification with some sub-ID. Tick the box, then enter your email address. Tap Continue. 4. Document Upload. Now choose the type of document you want to use for verification and tap Continue. Next, upload your document. Tap Choose from your device. To make things easier, select Take Photo. Make sure you take the picture in a well-lit area and try to avoid glare. Once the photo uploads, tap Continue. 5. Face Verification. Now the application will scan your face using your device's camera. This is to make sure your face matches the photo on your document. Read the tips and guidelines, then tap Continue. You'll see a request for camera access. Tap Continue, then select Allow. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the face scan. Once that's done, the application will verify your ID and data. After verification, you'll be asked if you want to save your information with some sub-ID. You can choose Save My Data or Not Now. You'll then see a screen confirming that your Infinity verification is complete. Issuing your virtual card. You can now issue your first card. These are not basic or temporary cards. They come with full payment details, your card number, expiry date, and CVV, just like a physical card. They also use 3D secure technology for added protection against fraud. Tap Issue Card under Spend Card. Read through the plan information and the fees. Select how many cards you want, then tap Continue. Enter an income amount or choose your fee option, then tap Continue. Critical funding instruction. Now it's time to add funds to your SpendNet account. Keep this part in mind. You can only add funds using crypto, so make sure you're loading with the correct method. For example, if you choose the Tether option, you must send USTD. If you send any other cryptocurrency, the funds will be lost and cannot be recovered. The same rule applies to Bitcoin. So where can these cards be used? Just about anywhere online. They're perfect for subscriptions, app store payments, online shopping, and many other digital expenses. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to use your virtual card. If you want a simple, secure, and rewarding way to manage your online spending without a traditional bank account, this 1% cashback virtual card is a solid choice. Check the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Drop any questions in the comments below. Until next time, this is the Bank Insider signing off.